Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to mirror objects in MicroSurvey CAD. So, my goal is to reflect this triangle across this construction line. First, go up to the top toolbar and click Edit. Move a bit to the right and click Mirror. Next, select the object you want to reflect, in this case the triangle, and hit Enter. Now we have to define the reflection line with 2 clicks. Notice that as soon as I click the first point, I get a preview of the reflected object. When it's in the right spot, click again. Now we have the option to delete the unreflected object. I want to keep it, so I'll just hit Enter, and that's it. Let's try the whole thing again, but this time with multiple objects. Again, click Mirror, select all of the objects, hit Enter, and define the reflection line. This time, I don't want to keep the original objects, so I'm going to click Yes. And that's how you reflect objects. Thank you so much for finishing this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.